Afternoon, y'all. Welcome to my weekend vlog.
I'm like, damn, you so fine, girl, what is your sign? She say I'm a Sagittarius, I'm a Capricorn, the beginning and end. I got a friend for your friend, hey, I'm making all of this money to spend. Deal stores buying.
Wait, I don't bite. I'm so rushing right now. I have a walking date with Caleb's mom and sister. So this is what I'm wearing. I just did laundry, so I have things hanging up, but cute little bodysuit. These joggers I got from the boys section in Zara. These Nikes I bought from the Nike outlet, which everybody keeps telling me they look like uncle sneakers, but whatever, I like them. My Nike socks and this one shoulder shirt from Misguided, and Caleb's fitted. But yeah, so I'm like rushing right now. Let me hurry up. Nah, y'all, it is so windy outside. Like, I'm so scared. Literally, my car is moving. That's how windy it is. Gianna does not like the wind, so... Nah, y'all, my car is literally moving. Like, it's like you can't have everything. Like, the weather is so beautiful. It's so nice outside, but it's so freaking windy. I think I should wear my hair out or in a ponytail. I feel like I'm feeling the ponytail because it's like just like out of my way. But then I like the hair out because it's like so much more sexier. But yeah. Nah, that wind is really, really crazy.
And which coin? And that's profit or
Gianna. Gianna.
So I took it out and cast it out.
First off, I forgot I was wearing a hat and my hair looks like this. Like, I'm gonna take this wig off and wash my other wig so I can wear that this weekend. Cause I have like a little kids party to go to on Sunday and I just can't be going out there looking busted. Or I might rewash this wig and wear it. I don't know, but I'm home, y'all. Had a really great walk. We ended up going to some family's house and just walking all over Brooklyn, okay? Just all over Brooklyn. Now it is 10:03 p.m. I just had some Wendy's. Wow, I cannot believe how bad my hair looks. I just had some Wendy's and now I'm about to finish editing. Not finish, I'm about to start editing this video. Y'all probably see it. Y'all probably see it before I see this video. Gianna still wants her camera time. Yeah. Alright, so let me go edit so I could go to sleep. And I don't know how people wear hats. Like, my forehead feels so bruised right here. You wanna see yourself?
So 377 is it? 65, 75.
Boys and girls, wow, my camera's about to die, but right now I'm trying to do a wig. I snipped myself. Did I see it? I snipped myself. Y'all, I don't know what is going on. I'm trying to like do my own wig because I can't be spending money. All right, guys, I am back. My hair is laid and I am rushing. Right now, it is approximately like 1 something. My dad and I plan to leave at 2. But I really wanted to leave at 12:30 because we have to get a birthday card. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. I'm going to my cousin's, my little cousin's 3rd birthday. Happy birthday, Savannah. So yeah, I'm so excited. Gianna's gonna see her family. A lot of them for the first time. You know, I got a COVID baby. As in, she ain't meet a lot of people because of the pandemic. So yeah, I'm so excited about that. But right now, I'm rushing, y'all. Always wash your beauty blender before you use it. So many people are like, you're the first person that ever washed my beauty blender for me. And I'm just like, how do you apply makeup with a dirty beauty blender? Like, the makeup application comes out so much better whenever you wash your beauty blenders, your brushes, every time before every use. Right now, I'm going to use this LYS Higher Standard blush. I already told you I don't really care for it, but I have it. Might as well use it. Put it under my face, under my foundation. Put a little on my nose. And honestly, because I'm rushing to do my makeup, I'm going to use my beauty blender. Usually I like to use my makeup brushes, but whenever I need to do a fast beat, my beauty blender always saves the day. I'm going in with my Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS in the color Tahoe. Oh yeah, because I'm doing makeup so fast, my arm is starting to I'm getting strong. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have not used this foundation in so long. I forgot how good it looks. I didn't even need all of this. I'm so used to using the Morphe one. I did all these pumps and I didn't even need it. All right, that's all blended out. Next, we're gonna go in with my two favorite concealers. Well, it's really the same concealer, but my Fenty Beauty concealer in the colors 370 and 340. Y'all should already know. I use 370 to conceal and 340 to highlight. Wow, I forgot to put on my shirt and I'm wearing a white turtleneck. Oh. All right, next is my Air Sponge translucent powder brush. Just to set everything. Probably should do this the other way around. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I don't know using a brush from nowhere to set my foundation. I was trying to be cute for the camera or whatever. Now I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup yellow powder just to get some highlighting in my face. But I'm actually going to use a brush for this. I do find that whenever I use my sponge, it just makes it look real like cakey on my face. So I'm going with this Morphe brush. Put some of this stuff back. Alright, y'all. This, ooh, looks like it's snowing outside. Is it a blizzard? Come on, I ain't do my hair all nice for no reason. But let me just hurry up and finish this makeup so we can get out of here. I gotta get Gianna dressed too, so I'll catch y'all in a second. My hair though, installed by me. But I don't know if this outfit looks nice, y'all. Literally, I think I have mom style now. Like, I just be throwing on anything that matches at the moment. My mom told me she's not feeling my outfit, but I'm gonna call Kaylee to see my outfit. Because you didn't say anything. How does it look?
What color is your jacket?
Oh, it's black with feathers.
Yo, where those Zara sweats?
These are my Zara sweats.
No, not that.
Which ones?
The one you showed me the other day. Tan one.
I just wore those I think I wore those yesterday. I wore those on a walk with your sister and them, so they're dirty.
Oh, damn.
But my mom says she doesn't like the army fatigue with the...
I don't like it either. That's why I was trying to tell you to change it.
Alright, so how about the... Alright guys, look at my baby father looking all zaddylicious. Alright, rewind. Look at my baby father looking all zaddylicious. Give me a kiss, babe. You're embarrassing me. It makes me blush so hard. But yeah, like I was trying to show y'all before, my install, I'm very proud of it. I don't care for the baby hair, but listen, y'all, I'm gonna just take the little wins in life because it could be worse. But oh, I don't think it's that bad. And I ended up changing my sweats. I had on army fatigue sweats, the ones I showed y'all in my vlog, the aquarium vlog. And I was thirsty for them sweats. And I put on my little feather jacket. I was doing a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I was doing a lot. We are on our way to Jersey to my little cousin's birthday party. And I'm so excited. Gianna looks so cute. I wish I would have showed you. I didn't have enough time. But we put little shoes on Gianna. Her feet are so fat. Like, it wasn't cute at all.
Can I go into a hill?
No. Oh, yeah, it says do not enter. Even though it says do not enter, Daddy?
Yeah, it's alright.
You can go in there.
I'll be alright.
Wow.
It says do not enter.
Yep, right at the top.
Well, right up top.
Yep.
I missed it for years.
People like you.
mile, use the left 2 lanes to take the exit toward US 1,
Yeah, I
US
have my
9.
father driving my car. And he act like he never driven a car before. He not used to being in a rich car. That's
Use the left 2 lanes to take the exit toward
we
US
ain't
1.
never gonna get home. We're in the fast lane, driving so slow. She ain't watching it with me, she watching with her father. My gosh, y'all, last night was so fun, so needed. Like, I literally feel like it's definitely a great end to the start of my week, a great start to my week, whatever. So after the party, which was so beautiful, y'all, I cannot believe how beautiful that kid's party was. Like, well, my cousin's party was. Like, what the, like, like when I walked in there, I was like, wow, this is beautiful, this is beautiful. So yeah, because I definitely need ideas for Gianna's first birthday party, because after seeing that, I was like, I could come a little bit more creative than what I'm trying to do. So yeah, and then after that, I went to Caleb's house, and like I saw in the footage, we just danced the whole night, literally. Like, now in hindsight, I believe I was lit. We literally danced for like 3 hours, like trying to do TikTok dances, trying to do this, trying to do that. Like, it was just mad fun though, great vibes, and definitely got your girl in the mood. But yeah, so that'll be the end of this weekend's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a comment down below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.